the third page. In this page, today we will learn the 9th bit only. Same page number. First of all, I will read the problem in your textbook. Be carefully, listen better neatly. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answers with an example. In this bit, 6 statements is given. One by one, today we will learn it only. The first one. One by one, I will read the statements. Every irrational number is a real number. That is the question. And second one, every rational number is a real number. Third one, every real number need not be a rational number. Fourth statement, root n is not a irrational if n is a perfect square. Fifth one, root n is a rational if n is not a perfect square. Sixth one, all real numbers are irrational. Okay, these are all the 6 statements is given one by one. Today we will learn it. Be carefully, listen better. These are the blackboard. First 9th page. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answers with an example. The first statement. Every irrational number is a real number.
Yeah.
Yes. What's the definition of the real numbers? The collection of the real numbers means is the collection of the rational numbers and irrational numbers. It gives the real numbers. So its statement is, first statement is it true or false?
Yes, true.
True. Tell me the answer.
True.
True. And second one. Every
True.
rational number is a real number.
True.
Yes. This is also same as above. Above statement model. Same only. Every rational number is a real number. Okay. Yeah. Every rational number is a real number. Every rational number is a real number.
Yes, true.
Next, first question is every irrational number. Every irrational number is a real number. Yes, that is also true, and this is the second bit is also true. Both are the same only. Okay, same as above. Next, third question. Every real number need not be a rational number. Every real number. Every real number. This is real number need not be a rational number. Maybe either irrational number, real number is maybe either irrational number and a rational number. Both there will be. But need not be a rational number. You had asked what's the asked here it is. Need not be a rational number only. Okay? Yeah, that is false only. All rational numbers are real numbers, but not only irrational numbers. Not only, but either this also rational numbers. All rational numbers is also real numbers only. Okay, only not irrational numbers, not particularly, but these are also all rational numbers are real numbers. But here this in given question is need not be a rational number, so that statement is false only. Okay. Next bit, we will go to the fourth one. Are you understood?
Yes.
Next fourth one. Root n is not a rational if n is a perfect square. Root n is not a rational number if n is a perfect square. For example of this question, I will explain it. N is a perfect square. Let us take one example. Root 9. N in place of n. Let us take 9 only. Root 9. Is it a perfect square or not? And 9 it can be written as 3 square only. So this is 2 and root is cancelled. We will get the
3 perfect square.
We will get the answer is 3 only. We will get the answer is 3. So 3 is it a rational or irrational number?
Rational number.
Yeah. The root n is not a irrational number. So not a irrational number. That thing but rational only.
Yes.
This is true.
Yes, true.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Yeah, it gives n the root. N is a perfect square. Let us take 9 only. So 9 it can be written as 3 square. Okay. Root and square is cancelled. We will get the 3 only.
Okay, okay.
Is it rational or irrational?
Rational.
Number. Okay. In given question, root n is not a irrational only.
Yes.
Not irrational means is nothing but rational only.
Yes, true.
Are you clear? Yeah, next we will go to the fifth one. Root n is rational if n is not a perfect square.
When
N is not a perfect square. For example, of root 8. Root 8 is a perfect square. It is no square power. It can be 4 cross 2 only. It can be written as 4 cross 2 only. Okay. 2 cube it's right, but square is not right it only. Okay. Yeah. This is the root 8 is not a perfect square. Is it perfect square? Root 8?
no,
Not perfect square. So root 8 is a irrational or rational?
irrational.
It is a irrational number only. It can be written as 4 cross 2 only. Okay. 2 root 2. What's the value of this one? 2 root 2 only. 2 root 2 is a irrational number. Okay. Not rational only. Okay, are you clear? So nth root is a irrational. If n is not a perfect square. One example of root 8 only. So this statement is true or false?
True.
True only. Are you understood?
Yes.
Root 8 is not a perfect square. So it is a irrational number. Are you understood? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 nothing but is a irrational number. So the statement is true only. Next we will go to the seventh bit. All real numbers are irrational.
False.
Real numbers are irrational.
False.
False. Why? Because all real numbers are rational.
Rational.
Rational numbers
Some
are
rational, some irrational.
collection of both
Oh.
ones. These two numbers we will get this one. We will give this one real numbers. But is all real numbers are irrational? No, false. All real numbers are irrational and rational numbers also. Okay, so that's why this statement, given statement, is it true or false?
False.
False. Okay? Yeah. This bit 9th bit 1 to 6 statements is over, and the remaining left problems 5, 6, 7, 8. For the log problems, I will shortly explain. Next class, I will meet you next class.
Yes.
Yeah, today is the class, it's over. Are you understood of the today's
Yes.
class? Are you any doubts?
No.
No doubts. Say thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe. Say bye.